Are you ready to witness the awe-inspiring scale of the upcoming construction project? When the most massive and powerful machines reveal themselves, the roar of the engines will shake your screen. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of our videos. Get ready to be amazed by the enormous CAT 7495 electric rope shovel, which redefines the limits of mining machinery. With an operating weight of 138,710 kilograms, the CAT 7495 can move up to 109 tons in a single load. Its huge bucket capacity of 64 cubic meters allows it to fill a 218-ton truck in just 3 moves, making it a true titan of large-scale mining operations. Let me introduce you to the giant underground machinery known as the Top Rock Accelerator D11 315 Jumbo. This tunnel boring machine can drill a hole up to 177 square meters in a single move. Equipped with 3 hydraulic booms, it can perform grouting, loading, and reinforcement at the same time, shortening tunnel drilling time by a third. Meet the underground giant that creates pathways through simple rocks, the tunnel boring machine. With a diameter of over 17 meters, this earth-digging equipment can drill up to 15 meters per day, even in the most challenging geological conditions. This DBM, with a length of 100 meters and a maximum weight of 1,500 tons, the world of open-pit mining expects the giant Bagger 1473 excavator. With a height of 50 meters and a weight of 3,850 tons, this machine can move 240,000 cubic meters of earth per day. Additionally, don't forget the 21-meter bucket wheel with 18 buckets, each capable of lifting up to 6.6 cubic meters of material. One of the largest trenchers on the market, the Pasmic Trencher 1675, shows the ability to handle earth-moving tasks with ease. This colossal machine, weighing 88,450 kilograms, can move up to 2.1 meters wide and 3.3 meters deep in a single movement, thanks to its powerful 950 horsepower engine and advanced chain-cutting technology. With a massive butter wheel that can be mounted on an excavator up to 200 times. The Chemrock KSI 12000 is capable of cutting through hard rocks as if slicing butter. It can achieve an impressive cutting depth of up to 3 meters and create trenches up to 1,000 millimeters wide, making it an indispensable tool for large-scale mining projects. However, if you're working on steep mountain slopes or swampy areas, the Chef HS41 would be the ideal choice. This compact excavator, thanks to its innovative design, can easily move through narrow passages and dig up to 5.5 meters deep in difficult-to-reach locations. Powered by an 80 horsepower engine and a 0.5 cubic meter bucket, it can complete tasks quickly. The CAT 994K doesn't just work as a truck. With its size and power, it dominates quarry operations, weighing 244,900 kilograms with a bucket capacity of up to 43 kilometers. This machine can move massive amounts of material in a single move. The 994K is powered by a 1,739 horsepower engine and can fill a 250-ton truck in just 3 movements. How do you move an entire truck? Of course, with the SW300 Swingwell low loader, armed with an impressive 300-ton capacity, this giant truck can easily transport even the heaviest cargo. What's more, the SW300 features innovative maneuvering technology that allows it to explore sharp corners and challenging routes, tasks that would be impossible with traditional trailers. This machine is affectionately called the Lying Eiffel Tower. As you can see, the F603D is an enormous conveyor bridge, 502 meters long and 80 meters tall. But even more important is its operational capability. It can carry up to 76,000 square meters of cargo per day. How about the truck used by SpaceX to transport Falcon 9 rocket parts? With a total load capacity of an astounding 98,100 kilograms, the 8-wheeled 59 centimeters 1070 truck can tow up to 140,000 kilograms. It uses a special 44-wheel trailer to carry the 111,500 kilograms Falcon 9. Now, let's turn our attention to the towering titan dominating heavy cargo, the CC 8800-1 crane. This crawler crane boasts an incredible load capacity of 1,600 tons and can reach a height of up to 240 meters with its main boom and earth configuration. Using an innovative swing kit, the CC 8841 doubles its load capacity, lifting up to 3,200 tons. Next, we have the LH110C Electronic, which dominates the landscape of the docks. With an impressive operating weight of 140,000 kilograms and a reach of 27 meters, this giant penta is capable of easily handling even the heaviest cargo. Furthermore, the LH110C Electronic with its electric drive system not only moves mountain-sized loads, but also has minimal local emissions, ushering in a new era for environmentally friendly port operations. The Canson LTM 1654-8.1 is a mobile crane that supplies unprecedented power to construction sites worldwide. It boasts a lifting capacity of up to 650 tons and features a xyloscopic boom that can extend to an impressive 80 meters. This machine can easily handle even the most difficult lifting tasks. In addition, the LTM is equipped with a flexible outrigger system, the highest level barrier-based technology for positioning, and an environmentally friendly engine. Not all trucks can carry containers, but the Volvo FH16 is a perfect example. This heavy-duty champion can carry up to 325 tons. With a powerful 750 horsepower engine and a 6x6 all-wheel drive system, it can effortlessly carry 78,000 kilograms across roads. In areas other machines can't reach, the ZX250 LCN5B easily gets the job done. This crawler, measuring 11 meters in length, has a bucket capacity of 1.6 cubic meters. Powered by a 180 horsepower engine, this 27-ton machine emits incredibly low exhaust gases. Next, we have the Morbach 5048X drum chipper, which can turn an entire tree into wood chips in seconds. This beast processes trees with a maximum diameter of 92 centimeters and can produce up to 200 tons of chips per hour. With a 127 centimeters diameter cutting drum and a 755 horsepower engine, the Morbach 5048X is redefining productivity in the forestry industry. With remarkable speed and precision, meet the RU 800S, a machine that redefines railway construction. This machine can replace up to 600 meters of track per day and easily handles rails and ties with synchronized operations. The RU 800S, with a lifting capacity of 40 tons, requires minimal support equipment to complete its tasks. The unquestionable king of the plains, meet the Big Bud 740 Sound, weighing an astounding 45,300 kilograms and with a width of 8 meters. This massive machine holds the title of the world's largest tractor. Powered by a monstrous 1,000 horsepower engine, it can surprisingly cover 0.5 hectares per minute, allowing for rapid work on the widest of farms. Lastly, the MTLB, a Soviet-designed multi-purpose machine, can transport up to 2,000 kilograms of equipment, or even fully equipped soldiers across rough terrain and deep snow. It can operate in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +40 degrees Celsius, making it adaptable to the harshest environments on Earth.